Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore the process of exporting videos for YouTube in Premiere Pro. As a content creator, it's essential to understand the optimal export settings to ensure your video looks their best on YouTube. So let's dive into Premiere Pro and learn how to export videos for YouTube. Before we begin, let's make sure your video is ready for export. Now, after ensuring that you have completed all necessary edits and adjustments to your video, take the time to review your video for any errors, make color corrections, add transitions or effects. It's crucial to have your video in the final form before proceeding with the export process. And once you are satisfied with the video, it's time to move on to exporting your video. To export the part of your video, you can add the in point and the out point for your video. Just move the slider all the way to the left where you want the video to be start from. And here just right click on it, and then on the top there's an option for mark in. Just click on it. This will add the in point for your video, and now move all the way to the right where you want your video to be ended, and then again right click on here and then click on mark out. This will add the mark in and the mark out. This will add the mark in and the mark out points for your video. You can also delete them. And from your keyboard, you can simply press I. That's the shortcut key for the in point. And move all the way to the right where you want your video to be ended. And then press O to add the out point. Now once you've selected the in and out point for your video, now it's time to move on to the export. You can simply just click on this export button, or you can simply go to File. Here select the export and then media. Or you can press Ctrl+M to the export menu. Now we have this option to export our video. So let's go back to this point for the video starting. There's a source for your video and the name that you have selected. There's an option to upload your video after the exporting. If you click on this, here you can sign in for your YouTube and then add the title, description, the privacy settings, and the tags as well. For now, we are sticking with the media file. Let's select this one. Here at the starting, there is an option to add the file name. You can add the file name. Here you can select the location for your video. Just click on it and then select the video and then select the location that you want to save. Just click on save. After selecting the name and the location, it's time to go for the preset. Here in the three dots, you can simply click on it and then click on more presets. Here search for YouTube. There are some options for your video. You can select the YouTube 1080p Full HD. You can select the YouTube 2160p, that is 4K Ultra HD. And then for the small videos, for like that's it 480p. And for the wide videos, and then again YouTube 720p videos to upload. We'll stick with these two. You can click on it to add it to your favorites and then click on OK. When you click on the presets, you will find the YouTube and the YouTube 4K presets in your video. As our source is about 1080p, so we are sticking with this one. Sorry, my bad. So if your video had something like the 4K resolution or the higher FPS, I suggest you select this one, the YouTube 2160p 4K Ultra HD. Now after this, let's move on to the format. The YouTube suggested format is H.264. I suggest you take it same, just click on it. Now let's move on to the video. You can simply just click on this arrow to drop down the menu for the video. Here select the frame size that you want. You can increase the frame rates. There are many options. As your source video is 29.9, So let's select this one. If your video had something like 60 fps or 50 fps, you can select this option. Here, select the field order about progressive. The aspect ratio will be the custom, and that is automatically set by the YouTube. Here, just click on this more settings. Now these are some important settings. Here, select the option add render at maximum depth. Use the maximum render quality. Scroll down and make sure you select the profile is high. The level will remain same. Again, scroll down. And now here's the option for VBR pass 1. You can select this. The CBR means constant bitrate and the variable bitrate, that is VBR. You can select the VBR pass 1. What this will do? This will select the performance for hardware encoding. This will use your GPU and render your video at the maximum quality and the faster time. Now scroll down again. The bitrate determines the amount of data used to represent each second of your video. For YouTube, it is recommended to use a bitrate that balances the video quality and the file size. If your video is in VR, you can select this option. This will convert the video to VR. And after selecting them, let's move on to the audio settings. For that, I will close this one and then move on to the audio. Here, select this audio. YouTube recommends using the AAC codec for audio as it provides good quality and compatibility. Select the audio code as AAC. Select the sample rate to about 48,000, okay, because it is recommended by the YouTube itself. You can select the channels to stereo. Adjust the bitrate according to your audio quality requirements. Generally, a bitrate of 128 kbps should be enough for most of the YouTube videos. But for now, we have this option for 320. Let's select this one. If you have any captions in your video, you can select this caption option. Let's move on to the effects. You can add telemetry look effects and the effects to all of your video by using this. You can add the metadata. And there's general option if you want to import into project, or the use previews, or the use proxies. And there you have it. We have explored the optimal export settings for YouTube videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. By choosing the correct format in codec, setting resolution and frame rate, adjusting the bitrate and encoding, and configuring the audio settings, you can ensure your YouTube videos will look fantastic on YouTube. Remember to finalize your video edits before exporting. Choose the H.264 codec with the MP4 file format. Match your resolution and frame rates to your project settings or select standard options. Set the bitrate and encoding to balance quality and the file size, and use AAC codec for audio with a sample rate of 48 kHz. And once everything is done, just click on export. This will start exporting your video. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.